Some users cannot install Malwarebytes because of a runtime error issue. And if you're also running into this issue, here's how to fix the runtime error. Now, Microsoft's program install and uninstall troubleshooter might be useful for fixing the runtime error. You can run it by going to this web browser, select Download Troubleshooter, then open the downloaded installer, click Next, select Installing, select Malwarebytes if it's in the program list, but if it is not there, click the Not Listed option. After that, click Next to start the troubleshooting. Another possible fix is to run the system file checker by opening command prompt with admin rights. Run the deployment and imaging servicing scan by executing this command, press Enter, and then to run the system file checker, enter this command, then press Enter. Now you have to wait for the SFC tool to finish the scan and show an outcome message. Lastly, erase untrusted certificates for Malwarebytes. Do it by opening Run, type in the following, press Enter, select Untrusted Certificates, click Certificates, look for Malwarebytes certificates, right-click on Untrusted Malwarebytes certificate, then select Delete. Now in the prompt, click Yes, then repeat the previous steps to delete all the untrusted certificates associated with Malwarebytes you can find. Once done, exit the Certificate Manager tool and then reboot your computer. And those are the final fixes for this Windows error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.